We're
Default
going to
text.
search for the Texas Education Agency on Google.
Once we're on the Texas Education Agency website, we'll search for STAAR Release Test Questions. We'll then select the 2022 tab and from there, choose the grade level 3rd, 4th, and so on to locate the math test form. We now have access to the 2022 math test questions. Let's solve them one by one. Use do those same steps again for 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade.
Question number 13. Use the ruler provided to measure the dimensions of the circle to the nearest centimeter. Which measurement is closest to the circumference of the circle in centimeters? The circumference of a circle equals pi times d, where d is the diameter. The diameter of the circle is closest to 7 centimeters. Pi equals around 3.14, hence, c equals 3.14 times 7 equals 21.98 centimeters. Therefore, C is the correct answer. Question number 14. A bookstore offered mystery bags, each containing 12 books. The quantity of each type of book was the same in each mystery bag. A shopper bought 3 mystery bags and found that 6 books were spy novels. If the shopper bought 1 bag, how many spy novels were in the bag? 6 divided by 3 equals 2 spy books. Hence, there were 2 spy novels in 1 bag. Option F. There will be 4 more spy novels in 8 bags than in 6 bags. 8 bags times 2 equals 16 spy novels in 8 bags. 6 bags times 2 equals 12 spy novels. 16 subtract 12 equals 4 spy novels. Therefore, F is the correct answer. Question number 15. A dog eats 1.25 cups of dog food twice a day. 1.25 cups of dog food multiplied by 2 equals 2.5 cups per day. Let's draw a table that shows the number of cups the dog eats in certain days. In 1 day, the dog eats 2.5 cups. 2 days, the dog eats 5 cups. The graph on option C is correct, and option A is not matching. Therefore, C is the correct answer. Question number 16. The table shows the numbers of different colors of pencils in a pencil case. A student will randomly select 1 pencil from the pencil case. Based on the information in the table, which statement is true? Option F. The pencil is least likely to be blue, which is incorrect. The least is red. Option G. The pencil is 4 times as likely to be purple as it is to be red. From the table, there are 8 purple pencils and 2 red pencils. Therefore, the statement is correct. G is the correct answer.